Hey bro, yo, how you doing? Let's practice English together with this vlog. We're gonna practice speaking outside in the street. I'm a student, I study at college. I wanna spend the entire day speaking English, so let's go, bro. Yo, how you doing? Look, today right now, we're gonna see a little bit of my studying process because first of all, I need to do my homework right now. Yeah, it is noon. It is noon in dormitory, and I'm gonna have like a class after 2 hours. I gotta go to college and attend the class, and then after that we're gonna go for a walk around Moscow and just have time chilling. You feel me? I don't know what we're gonna be doing, but in any case we're gonna find something cool. But first thing first, we're gonna start practicing our English. We're doing my homework. I got a notebook, I got a laptop right here, and look what I'm gonna be doing because today we're gonna have a lab class and I need to be prepared to the lab. Just write down all the theory, you feel me, and we're gonna be carrying out several experiments, so I need to be prepared. And yes sir, Brazilian t-shirt is back. I'm not gonna lie, I hope y'all been doing great. And yeah, let's go. Studying, bro, studying. By the way, we can use the verb lock in. Like there was a cool verb, let's lock in. I'm gonna lock in on studying right now. When you're gonna be really focused on something, you can say lock in. It's like a slang kinda in America right now. Like not only right now, it's been many years Americans using that, but in terms of regular English, people not really be using this like lock in phrase. So I'm gonna lock in right now, bro. And today, by the way, is the last day of studying this week, cause this week and Friday we're gonna have a day off. Saturday, day off, Sunday, day off, so 3 days off in a row, which is amazing. So bro, look, I need to sign in to our online library, and I've already signed in. And right here we got a book with our lab, all our lab stores, like materials. And today I'm gonna have a second lab. I need to write it down. Page number 19. And by the way, if you didn't know, guys, I have a YouTube channel. It's called Angel's Language Live, so subscribe, bro. Luckily today I don't need to learn all this. I don't need to memorize because we're not gonna pass the theory today. We just need to write everything down, like all necessary moments, the key points, I will say like that. Write it down on a paper and just understand, realize what we're gonna be doing today. Okay bro, now I finished writing my homework and now I need to get dressed and go to college. Only to visit one class. I think it's enough. I think it's decent. Okay, I already got to the college, but I still have kinda 10 minutes and I decided to take a walk a little bit around the campus. And by the way, I've just noticed there were a girl, but I didn't film that. There were a girl cycling. In the summer, I will definitely take rides on a bike because I like cycling totally. It's amazing. We got a downtown Moscow right there and the huge bridge. And my college is right there. This is it, bro. Yeah, it's a high time to go to the classroom, to go to the lab room. Today we have a laboratory class. Let's go. My campus right here. I'm gonna go inside this building. A group of students, they're just chatting, chilling. Our laboratory. Look at that, check it out. Brazil. We got a big storage of water and some other lab. I don't know. Look at this hardware, by the way. We're working with this hardware. Just wires and buttons. And we can switch something, but we'd better not to touch this shelf with hardware. Yeah. This is called electrical panel. And this is called a switch. We can switch. Regulator. Switch and wires. In general, we have a team of 4 people, 4 of us, and we do nothing at all. We're just chilling, and our other two people, they're working. Our 2 teammates, they're doing our job. It's called delegation. We just delegated all the tasks There's a green dot. It's gonna be charts in the future. And let's check it out. What are they doing? They're heating up a pan and they are looking at it through the microscope. Through... Блестяще. And look at that guy. He's taking photos of the lens in the microscope. Yeah. Our professor is here. Okay, bro, that class was just so easy and amazing and really interesting. And after that, I decided to go to the bakery. Look at that. This is a bakery with a lot of pastry. And right now, I decided to get a pretzel. Yeah, I'm gonna get some pretzel and go for a walk. And let's practice speaking. So, bro, I got a pretzel. Look at this. It has some sort of seeds. And right now I'm gonna take a subway, vending machines to get food, to get snacks, and a timer. Okay, let's go. Where's the weigh-in? I went to the center, and you know what I'm gonna do right now? First of all, check out how beautiful that really is outside. And bro, I wanna go to McDonald's actually. I wanna get some food, but I went there in the last video. And by the way, I discovered some new combo for me, because I tried actually for the first time in my life kind of pie in McDonald's with coffee, and that was really brilliant. So personally, that's my favorite combo, like personal combo by far, and I want to get it again. It's really great. And let's order food in English right now in McDonald's. We got Russian people everywhere, Russian teenagers, I don't know, and that's really great. All right, words. That's way in. Let's walk in. Let's pull the door. I'm gonna pull it. I pulled it, and now I'm inside. Okay, it's not original American McDonald's, the Russian version, but in any case, it's amazing. I love that, bro. Okay, I need to get some station to order food. Does it even have a name? I mean, this one, but because I'm not actually sure what they're called in Russian. So let's proceed. So I'm gonna get coffee, latte medium. I'm gonna add one syrup vanilla. Syrup vanilla is gonna be really awesome. Way to go, bro. And also we need to go to the desserts section, get desserts. I'm gonna get pastry. Nah. Wait. Scroll down. That's what I'm talking about, bro. Strawberry cream pie. Let's have a tour of McDonald's. Look at those workers. That girl is announcing orders that was made. Okay, I got my order, but I'm not sure where to have a seat, bro. Whether should I go outside or sit inside? I don't know. Look, we got balloons. Orange and green balloons. So nice. And just the whole huge space of cooking food and handing and giving you orders. So these people will give me my order, hand it to me, hand to hands. It's gonna be a burger, yeah. And look at the kitchen, look at all those workers, bro. They're making fries right there. They have light, they're making fries. These people are counting something, making some calculations. They all really locked in right now. A lot of people. Big staff, by the way. Staff, yeah. So we got this kind of space for, wait. So many people. We got this kind of space for sitting inside with the sofas, with the chairs, with the tables, screens to make your order. And we also have the second floor and the third floor. So I'm going upstairs a little bit. Steps. We have the second floor right here. And look at that, the third floor. My God, the coffee is hot actually. And I feel hot a little bit, keeping it in my hands. Oh my God. Where should I have a seat? I don't care, I will go outside. Because I need fresh air. It's kind of hot here. Kind of a lot of people and not enough oxygen. Let's go outside. Yo, look at this. We got these little cute tables, but it's kind of dirty. I don't know. And we got those seats. I would just sit here on this lone bench. Wow. It looks amazing. I got coffee. I got my pipe inside. Oh, that was noisy. Motorbike. Okay, okay. They're carrying something in their hands. In terms of coffee, I got it in a plastic cup with a plastic top, kind of plastic top, and paper bag. It's a paper bag. Kind of environmentally friendly, I suppose. Okay, let's unpack it. By the way, guys, have you seen like a movie, The Founder, about the McDonald's, how it was arranged, all this story, how it was organized at once? And the philosophy, I remember the philosophy of the McDonald's, first of all, it was that you can get your food real quick and eat absolutely anywhere you want. I mean, they were telling in a park, on a bench, in your car, anywhere, and that's literally what's going on. Like, look, we got park over there with a lot of benches. I can go and eat there, and I can sit here on this bench. So I just recalled it. I don't know, just the fact that I recalled. It was a really great movie, The Founder, about McDonald's. And I got this pipe. It contains, about ingredients, bro, it contains obviously the dough. Also we got strawberry jam inside and cream, some kind of cream based on milk. I'm not sure what kind of cream. Okay, let's give it a try. We got a little park. We got this kind of handrails and steps to go down. And wow, I don't know, a lot of police cars. A lot of police cars. This is McDonald's, the logo of our McDonald's right there. Look, bro, it's really rusty. It's rusty. Rusty metal and rusty bike is there. Delivery. Really nice cars in the center. And really nice weather. And bro, on the road, we got a big traffic jams. Big traffic jams. Because this is the end of the day. Wow, look at this store. We got so many chocolate stuff and cigarettes and Chinese food, Chinese cakes, Chinese cookies, Kinder in general. That's so sweet, right? Yeah, huge traffic jam. And the alarm, the police alarm, bro, catch the criminals. Bro, I need to get rid of this cup because it's empty. Where is the garbage bin? I need to throw it away, bro. Okay, bro, I got you. Look at this basketball. I'm not gonna miss. Damn it, I missed. Okay, second try. Yes, sirski. Basketball. Wow, we got really nice. What is that? Rolex? I'm not sure, but nice watch. I'm not gonna lie. And you see that kind of sun reflection in the building. Yo, that looks amazing. I'm not gonna lie, it's really cool to be walking in the evening. I mean, I've been here before, but every single time there was something new, and there was something new going on in the streets. And this is, bro, you probably know this place. Like, I filmed here, I filmed this place many times, maybe 3, but I love it. Look at that, bro. Look at those swings. Yeah, guys, I love you all so much. It was a great day. I got only one class at college. I went for a walk. I went to McDonald's. I got coffee. I was talking to my friends. Yeah, let's just be grateful. Be grateful, be kind. Oh my God. Did I block my microphone? English is amazing. Let's love learning English and treat it not like a subject, but as a lifestyle and practice in real life. Yes, sir. Thank you, guys. Thank you. Have a good day. Have a good time. Whatever you do, whatever you love, just stick with that. Okay. Thank you, guys. Let's go. Bye bye. I'll see you so soon. Yes, sir. Bye bye.